All right, Bryce, what are we working on here today?
So we have a 2003 or 2004 LB7 or LBZ. As you guys know, any of these Chevy trucks, it doesn't matter if you have a 99 through 25, all the front ends on them are just terrible. I'm sure you guys have all seen the ka-chow memes of these Chevys, or they launch and kick and they break tire rods. Well, we're doing a Kryptonite kit on this guy. We should no longer be breaking tire rods, killing upper ball joints, upper control arms, idler arms, pitman arms, any of that. Chevy severely lacked in the steering component situation with these trucks, and Kryptonite is definitely the only upgrade for these trucks. Buy once, cry once, never have to look back. So
Awesome. How long does it take for you to put one of these kits together?
the kit is actually very simple and straightforward. It is all OEM specs, so it all just bolts right into place. The only thing that we do have to do is do a idler arm bracket upgrade, and it does well to the frame, so it makes that idler arm a lot more stiffer, so you don't have side-to-side play, and it's not stressing your frame out. But again, pretty straightforward, super simple, and that bolts on itself.
So all this will be like a one-day turnaround, and then you guys just do an alignment afterwards. And
Yes, sir. It actually makes alignments a lot easier too. It's not as finicky as the stock stuff. I mean, as you can see, the size difference in the tire rods and ball joints, everything is just absurdly big.
a lot beefier for sure.
So
This will tighten the whole front end up, and
you should have no more issues. The only thing I can recommend next is maybe a pretty sweet steering box by Minworks. Other than that, you're not killing this front end again.
we got 5 of these kits lined up.
Got to bang them all out, man.
All right.
Got to make them safe and reliable.
Well, cool.
Can't have any broken ball joints going down the road.
Yeah, for sure. I'll let you get back to it. I'll probably just do a time lapse on you.
Cool, man.
Thanks. Just like that. She's all done. Just gotta do alignment next. Can't really see what's going on down here. But he's already on to the next one, and we're welding the next bracket on this one as well.